that was literally the worst workout ever, and it was my first workout and I couldn't even do an hour. I did 45 minutes. But I wanted to show you something. First of all, welcome to Life with Zara, and I hope you enjoy this vlog. Comment, like and subscribe for more videos. Guys, we're at Nanda's now. It's Ayan's birthday. Oh, we're gonna sing for Ayan, and we're gonna sing soft. Come and sing. Happy birthday to you. Sing for him, come. Happy birthday. Oh, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Ayan. Ayan! Happy birthday to you. May Allah bless you. May Allah keep you. Happy birthday to Ayan. Happy birthday, Ayan. Hip hip hip. Yeah! How old are you today, Ayan? 3. Hey guys, I'm so sorry for the shitty vlog. Well, it's kind of a short vlog. It's just that I thought I'm going to be picking up in basically everything that I do. I was cleaning today, spring cleaning. Just finished eating. I'm waiting for my son to get done eating so that we can bake some chocolate chip cookies. It's his birthday tomorrow. I'm going to be vlogging that as well. We have no plans. We always do something on the day. Don't stretch our brains too much. I planned the whole party, but now I never sent out any invitations. I'm so indecisive lately. It's like a sin, honestly. Gosh, I'm so indecisive. Oh, it's hot. Hope you guys are enjoying this random vlog so far. Hey, don't forget to comment, like and subscribe. I'm going to be trying something new for this year and see what happens. You'll see by the next vlog, the next name of the channel, whatsoever. So, not saying much because just now it doesn't happen, but I just want to try something new. If I don't like it, I can always change back because I'm crazy like that. So yeah, if you know, you know. Hey guys, I'm going to be baking some cookies. I hope you enjoy. Last batch and I can go sleep. I need this for my vlog.
What do you want me to say?
I'm keeping your body out of it. Let me know how it tastes. What do you want me to say? Just let me know. Whoa, someone's very serious. Ooh, someone's serious.
I'm trying to think the taste.
Oh my gosh, you're trying to think and you need to have more. What do you think, Zaidan?
Thumbs up.
Wow.
What's that?
It's not it's supposed to be like that if you see the video. It's supposed to be more soft. So, give me your review. What do you think?
8.5. You need to work on it. Something is missing.
Okay.
The taste is very nice. But yeah.
Okay.